Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the effects in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application, and after that let's open one of the project. And now if you want to add the effect in the video, all you have to do is search for the effect option. So you can see there is no effect option, but if I tap right here on this video, so you can see I will find other options, and from there I can find the effects. So just tap right here on the effect option, and from there you can see there are different effects. So you can select one of the effect from there. Let me select this one. You can see that this effect
How
is
to add the
added.
background.
You can see that this effect is added. Now you have to tap right here on the done button to save the changes, and this effect will be changed. So this is how you can easily add the effects on your video. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.